Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to have your iPhone read text to you. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, first thing first that you have to do, you have to go to the settings app on your phone, of course. I'm gonna open mine right now. And after that, in the settings page, you have to scroll it down until you find accessibility and go ahead. After, tap on the spoken content here. And at the first option, you will see speak selection. A speak button will appear when you select text. I'm gonna turn it on by swiping the toggle next to speak selection, switch to the right. And yeah, when it's turned green, that means it's enabled. So here, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna open my Safari and I'm gonna search here Aladdin storytelling. Here I'm gonna mark a paragraph like that. And now at the pop-up you will see speak, just tap on it.
Once upon a time, there lived a handsome boy in Baghdad. The name was Aladdin. He was a CL.
And yeah, just it guys. It's done. So I think enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.